Fujifilm cameras are known for their stunning image quality, classic design, and powerful features that cater to photographers of all levels. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, there's a Fujifilm camera perfect for your needs. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 best Fujifilm cameras, comparing their key features, performance, and why they stand out. Let's get started. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T30. Fujifilm X-T30. The perfect balance of power and portability. The Fujifilm X-T30 is a compact and powerful mirrorless camera designed for photographers and content creators who demand exceptional image quality in a lightweight body. Featuring a 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, this camera delivers stunning detail, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. At the heart of the X-T30 is the X Processor 4, a quad-core image processor that ensures high-speed performance, fast autofocus, and superior image processing. With 425 phase detection autofocus points, the camera locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, even in challenging lighting conditions. Face and eye detection AF further enhances portrait photography by keeping subjects in sharp focus. For video enthusiasts, the X-T30 offers DCI 4K recording at 30 fps, with 10-bit color depth via HDMI output, making it an excellent choice for filmmakers who need professional-grade footage. The film simulation modes, inspired by Fujifilm's iconic film stocks, allow users to achieve beautiful cinematic colors straight out of the camera. Designed with a retro aesthetic, the X-T30 features manual dials for intuitive control over shutter speed, exposure, and ISO. The 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen enhances usability for creative compositions, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable seamless image transfer and remote shooting. Number 4. Fujifilm XS20. Fujifilm X-T30. The perfect balance of power and portability. The Fujifilm X-T30 is a compact and powerful mirrorless camera designed for photographers and content creators who demand exceptional image quality in a lightweight body. Featuring a 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, this camera delivers stunning detail, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance. At the heart of the X-T30 is the X Processor 4, a quad-core image processor that ensures high-speed performance, fast autofocus, and superior image processing. With 425 phase detection autofocus points, the camera locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, even in challenging lighting conditions. Face and eye detection further enhances portrait photography by keeping subjects in sharp focus. For video enthusiasts, the X-T30 offers DCI 4K recording at 30 fps, with 10-bit color depth via HDMI output, making it an excellent choice for filmmakers who need professional-grade footage. The film simulation modes, inspired by Fujifilm's iconic film stocks, allow users to achieve beautiful cinematic colors straight out of the camera. Designed with a retro aesthetic, the X-T30 features manual dials for intuitive control over shutter speed, exposure, and ISO. The 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen enhances usability for creative compositions, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable seamless image transfer and remote shooting. Lightweight yet powerful, the Fujifilm X-T30 is the perfect camera for photographers seeking professional-level performance in a compact package. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, dynamic street photography, or cinematic videos, this camera is built to inspire creativity at every click. Number 3. Fujifilm X100V. The Fujifilm X100V is the latest addition to Fujifilm's iconic X100 series, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology for photographers who value both form and function. Priced at around $1,600, this premium compact camera is perfect for street photographers, travelers, and anyone looking for a high-quality portable shooting experience. At its core, the X100V features a 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, offering incredible detail and sharpness in every shot. Paired with the powerful X Processor 5, the camera delivers fast performance, excellent low-light capabilities, and stunning color reproduction, staying true to Fujifilm's renowned film-like aesthetic. One of the standout features is its fixed 23mm f/2 lens, equivalent to 35mm in full frame, which offers sharp, bright images with beautiful bokeh. The camera also boasts in-body image stabilization, IBIS, for the first time in the series, providing up to 6 stops of stabilization for crisp photos and smooth handheld video. For videographers, the X100 supports 2K video at 30 fps and 4K at 60 fps with 10-bit 4:2 recording for professional-grade footage. The hybrid viewfinder lets you switch between an optical and electronic view, giving you flexibility in composing your shots. Despite its compact size, the X100 is packed with features like advanced autofocus with face and eye detection, film simulation modes, and a tilting touchscreen for creative shooting angles. If you're looking for a stylish, powerful compact camera that delivers outstanding image quality and versatility, the Fujifilm X100 is a top contender. Number 2. Fujifilm X-H2S. Fujifilm X-H2S, speed, power, and precision. The Fujifilm X-H2S is a high-performance mirrorless camera built for professionals who demand speed, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. Featuring a 26.1 MP stacked BSI-X trans CMOS 5HS sensor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality with reduced rolling shutter and enhanced low-light performance. Powered by the X Processor 5, the X-H2S boasts up to 40 fps blackout-free shooting with its electronic shutter, making it perfect for fast-action photography, sports, and wildlife. The 425-point intelligent autofocus system, enhanced by AI subject detection, tracks moving subjects with extreme accuracy, whether it's people, animals, or vehicles. For videographers, the X-H2S is a game-changer, supporting 2K video at 30 fps, 4K at 120 fps, and Apple ProRes recording for professional-grade quality. With F-Log2, it offers 14+ stops of dynamic range, giving filmmakers more control in post-production. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS, ensures smooth footage, even in handheld shooting. Designed for rugged performance, the X-H2S features a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, providing durability in extreme conditions. The high-resolution 5.76 electronic viewfinder and fully articulating LCD touchscreen enhance usability for both photography and video. With dual card slots built in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and longer battery life, the Fujifilm X-H2S is a powerhouse that excels in both speed and image quality. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action, high-resolution landscapes, or cinematic films, this camera is designed to meet the demands of professionals. Number 1. Fujifilm X-T5. Fujifilm X-T5. Classic design, cutting-edge performance. The Fujifilm X-T5 is a powerhouse mirrorless camera that blends timeless design with cutting-edge technology, making it the perfect choice for photographers who demand high resolution, speed, and versatility. At its core is a 40.2 MP APS-C X trans CMOS 5HR sensor, delivering stunning image quality with exceptional detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Powered by the X Processor 5, the X-T5 ensures fast autofocus, improved subject detection, and enhanced color processing. The 425-point phase detection AF system, combined with AI-driven subject tracking, allows for precise focus on people, animals, and moving subjects, making it ideal for street, portrait, and wildlife photography. For videographers, the X-T5 supports 2K recording at 30 fps, 4K at 60 fps, and 10-bit 4:2 color, offering professional-grade video capabilities. Fujifilm's renowned film simulation modes, including Classic Chrome and Eterna, provide cinematic colors straight out of the camera. The addition of F-Log2 expands dynamic range for greater flexibility in post-production. The in-body image stabilization, IBIS, with up to 7 stops of compensation ensures sharp images and smooth video, even in handheld shooting. A high-resolution 3.69 OLED electronic viewfinder and a 3-way tilting touchscreen enhance usability for creative compositions. Designed with a retro-inspired, weather-sealed body, the X-T5 is lightweight yet durable, making it an ideal travel companion. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, fast-moving action, or cinematic videos, the Fujifilm X-T5 delivers professional performance in a compact, beautifully crafted package.